All right, here's our first chart. We got first point 1, 5, 3, 7, 4, 10, 8, 12, 10, 15. If you'll notice, just by looking at this graph, the x values are going up, but they hop at different, they don't go up by an even number of spaces. That's okay. You can still figure out the correlation. Same thing for the y. It doesn't have to be a perfect line for there to be a correlation, which is why I did this for this first example. But let's plot these lines. Does somebody have them all written down? So I can ask you what they are? Okay. At least I know what the first point is. Hold on a second. First point is 1, 5. So I'm going to put it right here. What's the next point?
3, 7.
3, 7. Next point?
4, 10.
Thank you.
Oh, we have 4, 20. 8, 12.
8, 12.
James, I'm gonna
Wait.
show you.
10, 15.
So,
Okay, so there's our point. See, as you can see, you can't actually connect it with a perfect line, but you can get pretty close, right? Right off the bat, do you think this has a negative, positive, or no correlation?
Positive.
Okay, so the first thing I just did, the first step, which was to graph the chart. Next, we're going to draw our line of best fit. Not everybody's line of best fit is going to be the same on the worksheet because it's really hard. You're kind of guesstimating, right? But for this one, it didn't cross that burgundy point, but it's pretty close, right? It's about, that's why it's called the line of best fit. All right, and then once you draw that line, we know what has a positive, negative slope or no correlation, right? So you guys pointed out it has a positive slope, and so the answer is it's going to have a positive correlation. Positive correlation between the data.
what was step 1? Sorry, I was confused.
Graph the chart.